same, you told us that 1 is going to keep it the same, so what's our answer going to be?
3 and 21 hundredths.
Kyle, what are we rounding to? What are we rounding to? Tenths. So you're not going any further past the tenths place. So what's our answer going to be?
3 and 3 tenths.
3 and
Why 3 and 2 tenths, Caleb?
because it's only on the sides.
You're only going to the tenths place, and you told us that 1 isn't doing anything to the 2, so it simply stays the same. Number 2. Sid, read the decimal for us, and then tell us where they want us to round it to.
2 and 500, 5, 10,000.
Okay? They want us to round to the nearest thousand. What number is in the thousands place?
The 0,
Which 0?
the second 0.
The second 0. Now what are you going to think in your head, Sid?
Whether the next number next to it
Okay.
is a 5 or above, or 4 and lower.
Okay?
And it's 5 and above, so you're going to round it to 1.
So our answer is?
2 and 5,
No.
51,000.
Good. 2 and 51 thousandths. Number 3. Haley, read the decimal.
6 and 5, 5,992.
Read that again.
6 and 5,892.
Okay? They want us to round to the nearest hundredth. What number is in the hundredths place? Underline it. Then what are you going to do, Haley? Tell us what you're thinking.
See 9 and see if it's greater, like 25 or 55.
Okay?
And it is, so then you put, greater it and put it to 8, use the 8 to 9.
Okay, so your answer is going to be?
6 and 5, 100.
No, you're not going any further than the hundredths place. How many of you are underlining it? Please do what I'm asking you to do. So if we're going to the hundredths, do we have to go any further past that?
No.
No? So Haley, what's your answer going to be then?
6 and 59.
Hundredths, exactly. Number 4. Fulton.
235 and 709 thousandths years and round to 100, which is this 0. You look at the 9 and see if it's greater than 5, and it is, so you round it the 0 up to 1. And then your answer is 235 and 7,100.
Good. Number 5. Caleb.
0 and
We don't read 0.
914 10,000ths, and so yeah, round the 4 to the
What number is in the thousandths place?
1, so then you round the 4.
You look at the 4.
You look at the 4 to see if it's greater or less than, so then it's less, so the 1 stays the same, so it's 91,000.
Good. 91 thousandths. Who's not catching on? Okay, Jack?
I don't get why if 0 is less than the number and behind it, why do you go to the, like for number 4?
Number 4. Okay. Here's our number, Jack. 235 and 709 thousandths. They want us to round to the nearest hundredth. Okay? I look at that, and like the teacher tells us, we're going to underline the hundredths place. So what number is in the hundredths place?
0.
0. Okay? When you round decimals, you look at the number that's directly behind it, which is a 9. And what's the rounding rule?
If it's 5 or above, and if it's below 5,
4 below
4 below
stays the same. Okay? So I look at that 9. The 9 is greater than 5. So the rounding rule is round up. So what's the next number higher?